In this video, let's see another property based on the concept of matrix multiplication, and that property is actually related to the identity matrix. I already know that what is identity matrix. We have seen that in our previous videos, wherein we know that identity matrix is basically known as the unit matrix, and it is that matrix which has ones and zeros, ones in the diagonals and zeros as the non-diagonal elements. This is always a square matrix only. Now, let's see the property. This is a theorem and we'll prove it with the help of a simple example. What is the property? It says that if A is a m by n matrix, then what is it? The property actually I am A, that means identity matrix with the order m, and it is multiplied with the matrix A is equal to A, and which is also in turn equal to AIN. That means what? That means simply, like we know in mathematics, the use of the number 1. I know 1 into 2 is equal to 2, which is equal to 2 into 1. What I said, let me write it. Actually, identity matrix is nothing but treated like 1 in maths, right? We have this multiplication sign. So it is 1 into, say your A is 4, which is equal to what? 1 4 is 4. So it is like I into A, which is what? 4 only, which is what? A only, and which is also equal to what? It is also equal to A into I. It is also equal to what? A into I. And what is the value of A into I? It is 4 into I. Is it true? Yes, it is. 1 4 is 4, 4 1 is 4. These three things are equal. But this was the case of simple mathematics. This time we are not dealing with simple mathematics. Rather, we are dealing with matrix multiplication. So, we will be taking matrices and not simple numbers in this case, right? So, let's deal with any simple example and then we will go through it whatever we wanted to prove. So, I have identity matrix and a matrix A. Let me take for simple example a matrix A, which is a simple matrix with the order say 2 by 2. You can take a square matrix also, you can take a non-square matrix also, because the order is m by n, you know, m here, n here. So, m and n can be equal also, not equal also, right? So, let me take a square matrix for my convenience. The matrix that I am taking is simply 1 0, say 0 5, anything can be taken. I matrix is what? I matrix would be a matrix again which is an identity matrix. You see here I have taken m and n equal. So, the I matrix will be I2, which is 1 0 0 1. You know that it is always like this only, right? And what about the LHS? Let's start solving the LHS. LHS is basically IMA. IMA means what? I with the order m. What is m? M is 2, n is basically 2. In my example, these can be different also, right? So, m means I2. I2 means 1 0 0 1, I know that, right? When 1 0 0 1 is known to me, I see here that A is also to be multiplied. What is A? A I have taken as 1 0 0 5, so it is 1 0 0 5. What are we supposed to do? We are supposed to basically multiply the things. This is first row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column, right? So, 1 1 makes it 1, 0 0 is 0, so it is 1 only. 1 0 makes it 0, 0 5 makes it 0, so it is 0 only. 0 1 is 0, 1 0 is 0, these are added, it is 0. Last but not the least, let's do it quickly. 1 0 is 0, 1 5 is 5, right? So, the answer is 1 0 0 5, right? 1 0 0 5. What was 1 0 0 5? It was matrix A in my example. So, I started with IMA. I started with IMA. What did I get? I got A. So, that means both these things are, at least I have proved that these are equal. Now, what is my next task? My task is to calculate AIN this time, and then we will see whether all these things come out to be equal or not. So, let us take AIN. So, it is like AIN. What is the value of n? Let us see. N was 2. So, it is A into I2. What is A? 1005. So, it is 1 0 0 5. What is I2? I2 means identity matrix of the order 2. So it is 1 0 0 1. Multiply the things, right? So first row, first column, first row, second row, first column, second row, second column. So 1 1s makes it 1, 0 0s makes it 0. So it is 1 because 1 plus 0 is 1. Then 1 0s is what? It is 0. 1 0s I say is 0 and 0 1s is 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0, right? Now 0 1s again 0. 5 zeros are again 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, last but not the least, 0 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, so answer is 5. Now what do we get? Let's compare it. It is 1005. I again repeat, it is 1005. Here also I got 1005 and here I started with again 1005 only. So I know that the answer of AIN, I repeat it, the answer of AIN simply A value, and here the answer of IMA. All these three things are what? They are all equal, and since they are all equal, this proves the above property wherein I have identity matrix multiplied by A, that is IMA is equal to A is equal to AIN.